It's amazing! How does this affordable flip device from TECNO have a better case than a smartphone that costs almost double? How? The TECNO Phantom V Flip 5G is the most affordable flip device at 569,000 Naira or $569. It looks good, it has decent specs, and it can fit into any pocket. But is it worth buying? Let's find out. Starting with the unboxing experience, the affordable TECNO Phantom V Flip 5G comes with more accessories. You get a beautiful case, some stickers, a USB Type-C cable, and a 45 watts fast charger that charges the 4000 mAh battery inside the smartphone from 0 to 100% in 52 minutes. The build quality is good, but it could be better at the same time. For the good part, I love that the rear and some of the front are made from light shield leather, which is more durable than glass, and the cover display is protected with Corning Gorilla Glass Victus. And now for the bad parts. Can you guys hear this? This doesn't happen with more expensive flip device in the market, and this device doesn't have an IP rating. After using this smartphone for about 3 weeks without a case, I would say it's durable. I have done this a lot, and it has held up well. At the TECNO Lab, this smartphone has been forwarded 200,000 times, and according to them, the case didn't expand and the screen didn't get damaged. Also, to calm your worries further, in my region, you get free screen repair if the screen gets damaged. That's flipping reassuring. Moving to the external features, it has a single SIM card tray with no memory card expansion, no eSIM either. It has 2 microphones, a USB Type-C port, and dual stereo speakers that sound okay. Now I noticed when you increase the volume to the max, the sound gets a bit distorted, but the speakers are loud. Now on the right side is where the volume and power buttons are located. The volume button doubles as the fingerprint scanner, and the unlocking speed is fast. The face unlock feature is also present and it works just fine. Now let's talk about the cover display. It's a 1.32-inch AMOLED display with multiple functions. Swipe down and you will see the quick settings. Swipe up and you get to see your notifications. Although you can't type with this display, you can only select quick replies. Swiping left will show you the music widget. Swiping right will show you more widgets like the weather, calendar, camera, and other widgets. You can customize the widgets and select the ones that are important to you by going into the settings, selecting your cover screen collections, and tapping on widgets. Under cover screen personalization, you have plenty of designs to choose from. For more customization, you can even add a cute pet or select a picture from your photo gallery or even use an avatar. It has the always on display feature, and although the screen brightness can get as bright as 800 nits, I struggled to see what's on the display when I was outdoors. Now moving to the main display, it's a 6.9-inch 1080p AMOLED display. It's an L2PO display, which means it has a variable refresh rate. The display has a touch sampling rate of 480 Hz, which means it's responsive to touch. The colors it shows are vibrant. It's an HDR display. You can watch HDR videos on YouTube, but it doesn't support HDR streaming on Netflix. For outdoor usage, it's usable. With eye brightness mode on, the display can get as bright as 1000 nits, and on this sunny day, I couldn't see the display clearly. Now moving to the processor, this smartphone comes with a MediaTek Dimensity 850 chipset. It's a 6nm processor, and looking at the Antutu score, it's on par with other mid-range devices I have tested like the Samsung Galaxy A54. For the Geekbench score, the single and multi-core scores are decent, just a bit above the Samsung Galaxy A54. The performance of this smartphone isn't bad. For day-to-day tasks, it will handle them easily. Multitasking is also good on this device as it comes with 8GB of RAM that you can expand to 16GB of RAM. Now the TECNO Phantom V Flip 5G isn't a gaming device, but when I played PUBG on it ran the game at HDR graphics and ultra frame rate. The gameplay was good, the phone got hot, especially around the cover screen. Now moving to Call of Duty, a lot of you guys like this game. It played the game at very high graphics and maximum frame rate. The gameplay was smooth as expected, but again the cover screen got hot. The TECNO Phantom V Flip 5G, according to TECNO, is the first flip device with an ultra-thin BC cooling system. This system helps this smartphone dissipate heat, but even with that, it still gets hot when you push it or when you play games. For the Android operating system, it's running Android 13 with iOS version 13.5.0. TECNO didn't mention anything regarding future OS updates, but according to BBOM, it's going to get 2 years of OS updates. Now, one thing I love about this smartphone is you get no ads with it. Also, it has some bloatwares that you can always uninstall. Now, because this smartphone is a flip, it has some special features, like the ability to bend the smartphone like this and watch YouTube videos. It also works with the camera app. You can put this smartphone on a table and use the gesture to capture videos or pictures. TECNO is calling this free cam mode. You can also tilt the hinge from 30 to 150 degrees and capture captivating videos and pictures. This smartphone has the Ella Assistant, which is a fusion of ChatGPT and the Ella voice assistant. You can ask it anything. What can you do, Ella?
Hi there. As an AA, I can assist with a wide range of tasks. I can provide information, help with research, answer questions, and even have a chat about various topics.
And it can even handle translations. Hello guys, welcome to Valor Reviews. Is this translation correct? Let me know in the comment section below.
नमस्कार दोस्तों, बेला समीक्षा में आपका स्वागत है। क्या यह अनुवाद सही है? मुझे नीचे टिप्पणी अनुभाग में बताएं।
Now moving to the cameras, the front-facing camera on this smartphone is a 32-megapixel shooter and the pictures it captures are not bad at all. The pictures it captures look very natural, true to life and not saturated. This particular picture was a portrait picture. I was facing a window and look at it, it looks good. You can take selfie pictures in the dark with this smartphone because it has a front-facing flash. Not so many smartphones out there have this feature. Outdoors is where the front-facing camera shines. It shows true-to-life skin tone, but in this particular picture, the top part of my hoodie is red and not pink. In portrait mode, I set the depth to f1.2 and it didn't do a good job in separating myself from the background. When you increase the f-stop to, let's say 2.0, it does a better job, as you can see. What's up guys, so here's a video from the front-facing camera of the Phantom V Flip 5G. It's shooting in 2K 30fps and in 2K 30fps, no HDR and also no stabilization. So what do you guys think about the footage? Is it clear? How is the audio? Let me know what you guys think about this footage in the comment section below. Now moving to the rear cameras, it comes with a 64 megapixel main camera and a 30 megapixel ultra wide camera. Check out the pictures captured by the main camera. It looks solid and true to life. It isn't adding saturation or boosting the colors. It looks natural and sharp. For human subject, it looks good too. It shows your real skin tone and I think it captures the red in my hoodie better. Portrait shots look amazing, but the macro shots it captures are not inspiring. Sky Shop is also available on this smartphone. It allows you to change the sky. Now for the 30 megapixel ultra wide camera, the pictures it captures are decent and almost identical to the main camera. Alright, so the footage you're watching right now was shot using the rear camera. I'm shooting in 4K 30fps. What do you guys think about the video quality and the audio quality? Let me know in the comment section below. For my usage, battery life has been surprisingly good. It has a 4000 mAh cell and it held up just fine. If you're a heavy user, you would definitely need to charge the smartphone twice. So, what do I think about the TECNO Phantom V Flip 5G? Well, the build quality is good, except for that squeaky sound. The AMOLED display is good. The performance is decent. It's on par with most mid-range smartphones that came out this year. The battery life is fine. It's better than some flagship foldable devices out there. And now for the negative. Even though it has a VC cooling liquid system, the cover screen area gets hot when you play games. But hey, for normal usage, it doesn't get hot and this isn't a gaming smartphone, so. The cameras are decent and I wish video stabilization was available when you shoot in 4K using the rear camera and 2K using the front-facing camera. So that's my review of the TECNO Phantom V Flip 5G, the most affordable flip device in the market. Thank you for watching and I'm going to see you guys very soon. Valor Reviews, signing out!